Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. Right off the bat, guys, the markets are under pressure right now. Yeah, the previous levels of resistance, we're going to go over those very briefly. And more likely than not, these levels are getting ready to get tested. And I mean a real test. All right, so we'll go over the details. We're going to go over the SPY, the NASDAQ. We're going to go over the S&P 500. We'll take a look at the Qs, maybe the DIA, SDOW. Keep it as short and sweet as we possibly can, guys, but they're under pressure right now. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action. Welcome to new subscribers. Let's dive into the charts here, shall we? So today's December the 1st, 2021, and the current price. We'll start with the SPY, $455.75, slightly positive 0.04% for the day. All right, guys, so let's hope you guys are doing well out there. Please execute your strategies. You're going to need it right now. Serious. All right, so the previous level of resistance is $453. I think this level is not only going to get a test. We're not definitely, that's definitive. I can't say that. More likely than not, guys, we're going to pierce through these previous levels of resistance. So definitely get ready for some moves to the downside. $445. Please don't put a buy order there. I'm just giving you guys an update to let you know that more likely than not, we're getting ready to pierce through these previous levels of resistances. So look at the S&P 500, current price $4,566.57 fluctuating, slightly negative 0.01% for the day. Okay. And again, the reason that I'm saying this is because of the way that the market's closed. You see this red candle. Not really liking that red candle, man. That's a monthly candle. Now, keep in mind, although I sound like it's kind of intense that we may experience a retracement, please understand that I think the markets are moving higher. Yeah, eventually, the markets are moving higher. It's just measuring the actual retracement is what I sometimes have a difficult time doing. But yeah, ultimately, the markets are that's definitive. My speculative observation is suggesting that the markets will eventually move higher after a retracement. This retracement will simply present a buy-in opportunity to me and my portfolio, not financial advice to you there. But I'm seeing a potential buy-in opportunity incoming as the markets retrace, okay? So let's see, so 45.45. If it breaks below that level, it's really simple. Let's pull out our Fibonacci retracement, see if we can find something. So I would just simply look at the 0.618. So that's going to be 44.56. Okay, so as an alternative, that's what we're going over, the alternative levels, as we've already gone over the previous levels of resistance. The alternative level for the SPX is going to be 0.618. Not saying it will hold, but that will be the first level. Just when things get pretty intense out there to the downside, that's the one level. Okay, let's pull up the SPY again, see if we can find the 0.618 on the SPY. Yeah, that's the only thing that I'm going to focus on, guys, the 0.618 for starters for now. I think I already gave you guys a level for this, but let's just see. So yeah, so 444 for the SPY, okay, a potential retracement incoming. If it moves higher, that's fine, guys. The market is in a bull market, okay? If it stays above this one level, 453, and it never gets to the alternative levels that we're going over, the only reason why I'm going over this is because the markets are green. I don't like the markets just hanging out green days when I realize the markets are under pressure, okay? I don't really like that. Meaning that I'm seeing it's basically when they turn on the green lights, most people think that it's time to buy when it's a green light. Okay, and then the red lights, people kind of run away from the red lights, right? So that's why, again, I'm coming in a slightly green day, let you guys know the potential alternative retracement levels. Let's move on over to the S&P. We've already covered that. Let's do the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is going to be current price $16,140.77, slightly positive 0.02% for the day. Let's pull up that 0.618 on that. So the 0.618 is going to be 15,299 on the NASDAQ, okay? All right, and that's pretty much all I have. I said I would go over DIA. We've never covered this one before. This one appears to be under more pressure than the others. So the previous level of support, the current price is $343.96, 0.2% down for the day. Previous level of support right down here at about $338, okay, $338. And keep in mind, when we go over these levels, it's just simply to reflect you pulling up your charts and identifying reversal candles On the maybe the daily is fine, but preferably like the 3-day and the weekly candles, since they hold a little bit more significance when you're looking at the higher time frames. Okay, so that's what I wanted to stop on and let everyone know. The S-Dow, let's see, is catching some pretty nice momentum to the upside. Current price is $31.28, slightly positive 0.8% for the day. Okay, so remember, guys, those green screens out there, don't be fooled, guys. The market is under pressure. All right, so if you notice my little setup here, I'm just focusing on this descending yellow line. We're looking at the monthly candles. Okay, found a lot of support at the line before it broke below that line. That descending line is very important, guys. If we break through this descending line, wow, you'll probably be able to make a lot of money on this S-Dow here. Not financial advice, of course, I said that, right? All right, but I think we'll probably just get a test and a rejection. So that level will reflect in the maybe like $34.11. If you see it above that level, yeah, wow. The markets are under some real pressure, guys. All right, 34.11 potentially incoming for the S-Dow if the market does continue lower, the S&P 500 or the Dow. I think this is measuring the Dow, guys, the Dow. Okay. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's going to wrap up the video. Again, look for reversal candles. The S-Dow potentially is going to continue higher. And that's all I have for you guys. So yes, strategies, please execute those, and we'll wrap up the video. So hope you guys enjoyed that. If you don't mind supporting the channel before you go by leaving an appropriate thumb, I would appreciate it below the video. Also leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video on the channel. Thank you for your support. If you guys are new, we also explored the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send that out to you guys momentarily. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please have a strategy. I know I say that a lot, guys, but you have to know where you're going to exit the market if something like this takes place. I mean, the markets aren't really down that much, though, honestly. So we'll talk soon. Keep that positive energy flowing, and bye for now.